In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect a custom domain name to your website on Carrd. Let's get started. To begin, make your way over to your Carrd dashboard. This is essentially the hub where you can manage all your sites with ease. Now, depending on your situation, you can either pick an existing site that you want to associate with a custom domain, or you might be starting fresh. If you're starting a new project, Carrd gives you the flexibility to either build from scratch or choose a template that suits your needs. Once you've made your selection, the site editor will pop open. This is your creative space, so take a moment to make any tweaks to the text, spruce up images, or rearrange the elements until you feel satisfied with the design and functionality of your website. After you're comfortable with how everything looks, the next step is to save and prepare to publish your work. Look towards the top right corner of your screen where you'll find an icon that resembles a floppy disk. Give that icon a click. This serves as your Save and Publish button. Once you click, you'll notice a panel slides out on the left of your screen. Here, there's an important step you can't skip: adding a compelling title and a brief but descriptive overview of your site. This description not only helps define your site's purpose, but also enhances its discoverability online, which is something you definitely won't want to overlook. Continuing down this panel, you will find the publishing options available to you. If you're using Carrd for free, you'll have the option to publish under a domain that ends in .carrd.co. This might suit you perfectly if you're looking for a quick and straightforward online presence. However, if you're a pro user looking to make a stronger impression, you have the advantage of connecting your own custom domain name free from the Carrd suffix. This gives your site an extra touch of professionalism and personalization. Make sure the domain you've got your heart set on is available before proceeding. When everything is set up to your liking, go ahead and hit publish. The system will take a few moments to make everything official. Once it's all processed, you can click on View Site to see your newly minted page live and accessible with your chosen domain. And just like that, you've successfully connected a custom domain to your Carrd website. You're all set to share it, showcase it, and let the world see your work exactly as you envisioned it.